Okay, for 286, they want us to graph a line. And look, this is written in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And we're going to use that to graph quicker. So I'll draw my coordinate plane. I'll label my axes. You would be doing this on graph paper. And we see that the y-intercept right here is 3. So I know that one of the points is right there. The y-intercept is 3. Now the slope is negative 2/3. And you can think of the slope as negative 2 over 3, right? That's negative 2/3. So that means I go down 2 to here and then over 3 to here, right? So there's a point. And I could do that again. I could go down 2 to here and then over 3 to here, right? And now what I want to do is I want to draw a line through those points. And I have quickly graphed this line based on my knowledge of slope-intercept form.